Okay, so these are going to be my three different strategies that I will be talking about. The first one is for the general classroom. I would have wobbly chairs available for any child that will benefit from it. So this one will tend mostly be for kids that have like ADD or ADHD, and they just need something, to channel their energy to. So this will be available to any student that might need it, and just to help them concentrate and be able to focus during classroom. Another one is for checking for understanding. I said use Kahoot to check students' understanding as a whole. So this one's fun, especially for students that are not good like test takers or quiz takers. And we just as an instructor, we just need to see very quickly how every student has progressed. So it's a fun way for students to show their understanding, and the teacher can see individually who was able to respond correctly. And as a whole, she can see, okay, maybe the whole classroom needs to work on this a little bit more. Or maybe just think, okay, maybe it's just this group of students that I can instruct in a small group, or even just one student who might benefit from a little bit of one-on-one instruction. And now my last one is so for managing classroom, I said give tickets for appropriate behavior. So now this tickets would could you be used for students in exchange, like they could get prizes. So this would be kind of like an encouragement, like, oh, thank you for pushing in your chair, here, one ticket, or thank you for participating, or thank you for helping your friend. So this would be like a nice little incentive for students to continue to be good students in the classroom and show appropriate behavior. And likewise, I said take away the tickets if for inappropriate behavior. So if the student is not doing what they're supposed to, they get tickets taken away, which means the student can accumulate them to earn a prize. So yeah.